Okay, all right.
So thank you for turning up today. I am so impressed by the number of people that are here. And as I say, we are so grateful that you've given up your time to come and talk about end of life, which we're aware is a very emotional subject. Just want to introduce sort of myself. So I'm Jill Parsons. I'm the CEPN chair, and I'm a GP by background. And some people in the room hopefully know all about CEPNs, but I'm sure there'll be some people who haven't quite understood what a CEPN about, and that might include me as well. But there are two basic premises behind the CEPN's existence. So it's mainly to support people working in health and social care. So I think we all know these are hard times in the NHS and hard times in social care. And actually the reason behind having a CEPN is to remind ourselves that we're actually fantastic at the job that we do, and just to celebrate the good work that we do, and that actually if we work together with each other, that will also make our jobs so much easier and more fulfilling. And then when we're all a very happy workforce and all working together and all singing the same tune, our patients will get a really good deal. So again, all of you guys in this room are here today because you care about patients. That's what makes you get up in the morning, I am sure. And it has got harder and harder over the years. That's why I've got all these grey hairs. But we're here to find out how we can make things better for our patients and better for each other within the context of end of life. And I say one of the things to do is work collaboratively together. So I am so delighted that we've got so many representatives from the different areas of health. So to the ambulance paramedics that have come, to the hospice nurses, to the care home care providers, to the doctors, to the nurses, to the HCAs. I mean, I just won't name them. It's a bit like a wedding speech because you forget someone and then, someone's miffed. So enough from me really, because actually what you really want to hear from are our speakers, and they're going to be telling you a little bit about what's going on in Barnet. We're hearing from Caroline Sterling, who's going to give us a bit more of an overview of what the STP is. And again, one thing I'm aware of when you have lots of different organisations in a room is not everyone understands the acronym, so just be interested to know if people know what an STP is. Does everybody know what an STP is? Yeah, so Sustainability and Transformation Programme, I think it now is. So that's NCL wide, and we're all going to have to sort of find out what we're expected to do from NCL. And there's also a national programme, and I think in a very timely fashion, the first national bulletin went out, I think, yesterday. And in fact, they gave a very good example there of Warrington, who they have worked together as a group, and they changed their end-of-life place of care from being 26% to being 82%. And they did that by working together, and they won the HSJ award. And we know it can happen, so we kind of need to make it happen. Yeah, so once again, thank you to you guys for coming. And I'm going to hand over to Yvette, who is one of our local GPs, and she's going to give some feedback about the work that we've done to date to try and develop a network and some ideas about end-of-life care in Barnet.